Hi guys, you're welcome to another episode of Empress Kitchen, and today we'll be doing party jollof. Party jollof is something everybody is so excited, and it's not always far from you every Saturday because Owambe is plenty. Today I will show you how to do that party jollof start. Even when you are doing it, people will think you are doing Owambe. Clock it. So our ingredient today is not far-fetched. We have rice, we have chicken, we are using chicken as our protein, and you can use any protein of your choice. Then we have the spices like the thyme, curry, rosemary, garlic, ginger, salt, seasoning. Then we have tomatoes, we have tatashe, we have bawa, scotch bonnet. Then we have bay leaf, tomato paste. So let's start the cooking. First, I'm going to boil my frozen tomato. I've already frozen this tomato because I got it like a day before this shooting. Then you go in with all the pepper, the red bell, the chili pepper, the scotch bonnet. I go in with my garlic, ginger, rosemary, a little bay leaf. Then I boil everything. Curry, you go in with all your spices. In fact, sometimes you can buy the fresh curry leaf, you can put parsley, all the herbs that you want to use, you can actually put it. But today, here is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be boiling my pepper. While doing that, I'm going to be boiling my chicken so that both can do simultaneously. So I'm going to spice my chicken up with curry, onion, seasoning, salt, and rosemary. Then I put in some water and I'm going to boil. Because I'm using soft chicken, I'm not going to boil more than 10 minutes. Don't forget that we need the stock of the chicken, so you are not going to throw it away. You are not going to throw it away. You can sieve it. Then I fry my chicken, and we are ready to cook our jollof rice. So I boiled my pepper for like 10 minutes, and immediately I'm going to put it in my blender to blend. So the first thing you want to do when you want to make your smoky patty jollof is to make sure you fry your onion. Fry your onion so that all the spice, all the sweetness in the onion will go into your oil. So that's why you have to make sure that your oil is hot. That's the first hack. Fry your onion very well, then you can go in with your rosemary. You know, one thing about rosemary is that it brings out all your flavor. I mean, everybody in your compound will not rest. So you fry your rosemary, your thyme and curry, fry the spices together, then you go in with your tomato paste. You are trying to build up that smoky flavor. Go in with your tomato paste and you can now go in with your freshly blended pepper. Then you go in with your blended pepper, that one that you have set aside. Then you put your seasoning, adjust to taste. After frying my sauce, I want to go in with my rice. I want it to just simmer for like 2 minutes. Then I go in with my stock. You see, make sure you sieve your stock because you don't want the broken bone of chicken when you are eating your jollof rice to stress you. Then you turn very well. Then you cover with your foil. Add water if it's needed. Cover with your foil on low heat. When you want to start cooking your jollof rice, especially at home, you have to cook on low heat first. That's very important. So that instead of the rice cooking, it's only going to be steaming. It is very important. It's going to be steaming. After 15 minutes, you can check your rice. If you need to adjust the water, you can adjust the water. But here you see that my rice is looking so yummy. So I'm going to be steaming it now with onion. Then this is the part where I'm going to increase my fire so that smokiness can come. You increase your fire, then you can leave it for about 10 minutes for it to bring about that smokiness. And yeah, your smoky jollof is ready. It is that simple. It is that simple, and you are going to enjoy it. So you adjust your tastes. You can check for taste, and your jollof rice is ready. You can enjoy this with your family and friends. You can even call party and tell them that now I know how to make smoky jollof. You want to see more of this video? Like, share, subscribe to Dr. Shina Aladejubelo TV on YouTube and all our social media platforms. See you next episode.